Thank you for that warm welcome, and you may take your seat, please. Distinguished guests, teachers, parents, and graduates, good morning to all of you. Well, first of all, I would like to share my feelings on this very day. I am very nervous, quite nervous, because this is the first time I will deliver a speech in such a huge audience, especially graduates. And I am very challenged because I don't know if I can impart something to our newly graduates here. In just a few minutes of talking, so please lend me your ears, your hearts, and your minds, so that I can at least give you a seed of courage in these challenging moments. Well, first of all, kung nanonood kayo ng mga balita ngayon, like yung isang TV series which is the Bawal ang Pasaway ni Miss Tina Munsod. Familiar ba kayo doon? Ang isang pinaka-challenging at isang very alarming na state of education sa Pilipinas ngayon is lumabas sa survey ng PMAP at ng NEDA. PMAP stands for People Management Association of the Philippines, and yung NEDA is yung National Economic Development Authority, na ang ating daw graduates ngayon lacks 3 things. And would you believe that ang number 1 doon is communication skills? Communication skills in the sense na you be able to express yourself and be understood. Not just by just giving a mere speech like this. Number 2 is yung critical thinking. Critical thinking in the sense na you have the ability to analyze a situation, a data, and events before arriving into a good decision. And number 3, and the most important of all, is the initiative. Initiative, pagkukusa. Marahil, bilang mag-aaral, hindi pa kayo familiar sa ganitong klase ng skills. And I would like to share with you that these are the 3 major skills that our country needs. So, being young at your age, I suggest you start to develop these skills as early as now. And finally, I would like to share one great events that happened in my life with my family. There's one time I was very desperate. I lost my job. I quit my job. That was 4 years ago because of hastiness, because of pride. And suddenly I am workless. I've been out of work for about 6 months. I have 3 kids. And I was so very frustrated during that time. And What I do, I drink too much alcohol. After which I go home and expecting to be nagged by my wife right over there. But that didn't happen. Before I go to sleep, my wife told me in this very exact word, Han, alagaan mo naman ang sarili mo. Kasi hindi na sa iyo yan. Sa akin na yan. Sa mga bata na yan. At ano ang gusto kong iparating sa inyo mga kasama? So never even think that your suffering, sacrifices, achievements, and victories are of your own. Hindi lang sa inyo yan. Remember that whatever decision you will make, actions you will take, and choice of what you will become will definitely affect the outcome of our tomorrow. Thank you very much.